and zip function in Python. So let's create a list of names. I have a list and I have some random names here like Rajat, Vikas, and Akash. What I have to do is I have to create a dictionary which is having the names in the form of key and the length in the form of values. Like we have a key value parent dictionary. So one way we can do is we can create another list of length using list comprehension, and we can uh, give a data of length of each string inside this list. Let's say for length of I for I in names list. And now if I check this list, I'll have the length of all the strings which I have given, Rajat, Vikas, and Akash. Coincidentally, they all are of length 5. So now let's use zip function. First, we'll see how we can do that using zip function. So we'll zip both the list inside this, and it will give a zip object to us. I'll convert this into a list, and I have something like this. I have a list of tuples. So the outer data structure is a list, and inside this we have each object in the form of tuple, which and inside that we have Rajat, which is in the form of string, and we have the length of the name Rajat, that is 5, in the form of integer. Now let's use dictionary comprehension for this to convert this into a dictionary. I'll use I is to j for I j in. We have to store it inside some variable. Let's say zip, run this inside this zip underscore. So now if I call this dictionary, I'll have everything inside of in the form of a dictionary. But this is a very long process. What I can do is I can simply use dictionary comprehension, and we can skip some line of code for this. So let's see how we can do that. Create another variable for saving a dictionary. Say dict1, and inside this I'll use length of I is to I for I in names. I'll print this. So now we'll have exactly the same thing. Oh, sorry, I just did some mistake. We'll just give I the very first place. Now if I run this, I'll have the exact same thing which we got here by running 4 5 line of code, and by using dictionary comprehension we just did the same thing in this one line of code. So in this way you can use dictionary comprehension, which is a very powerful method, and it is also frequently asked in DSA questions as well. So thank you for watching this. If you found this informative and helpful, you can just like and subscribe this channel.